Alright guys, so if you see this mess that I made over here in this bathtub, I mean, just look at this. What a freaking mess. Oh my god, let me go ahead and move it over to the sink over here. Man, oh man, what a freaking mess. But this thing is solid as a rock. I wasn't expecting to kind of overdo it with the foam, but like I said, I mean, it was going flat, so I kept filling it, but let me go ahead and clean these all up and see what we come up with. And then, like I said, I'll go ahead and throw it in the water and see if it'll hold any weight to it. So once I connect it to the TRX, I'll go ahead and put you guys on and we'll both see if it floats. So if it doesn't, hey, it is what it is. So kind of a nutty idea, but all right, let me go ahead and clean this up and then I'll put you guys back on. So all 4 tires do float, obviously. Foam does float, it is lighter. But I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure if it's gonna hold the truck, but leave in the comments down below, what do you guys predict? Do you think this TRX is gonna float or sink? Drop a comment and let's see what happens. Guys, look how ridiculous this thing looks. I mean, it actually looks pretty dope. Nothing bogs, doesn't hit or nothing like that, and tires look pretty damn sweet. I mean, look like 2.8s or something like that. And look at this. Turning radius is perfect. I mean, yeah, it hits a little bit, but it clears everything. I mean, as long as I'm not over anything, if the shock's not compressed, it turns perfectly. These are sick looking wheels, huh? I'll probably put this on my 6 scale crawler. These wheels after I'm done with it. But looks pretty dope, I mean. And yeah, I still haven't taken the plastic off of this, but once I'm done completing everything, I'll go ahead and remove it, maybe trim up the wheel wells and all that and make it look a little bit more presentable. But this thing looks pretty dope. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts on it so far. And I'm really eager to see if this thing floats tomorrow, so. All right, guys, we are on location. So I'm basically gonna try to take this thing out on the lake and see if it floats. I mean, you saw the previous video. We had to wait a day or two to get the foam to dry and all that. I actually had to use a second bottle to fill up these tires. I think I didn't shake the bottle well, and I set to shake it for about 60 seconds just to get the chemicals mixing, and they, tires were pretty much flat. So, but now I got it here, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out in the lake. Doesn't look like it's happening. Oh, it's actually floating. Uh-oh. Well, I don't know, guys. It doesn't look like it's gonna float, so I'd have to figure something out, because this ain't working. Way too heavy for those foams to handle, so. Let me go set it right here so that way it could dry up, and then we'll go ahead and run the boat. All right. So, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, drop a like, and hit that bell so it can notify you when I post a second or third version of this. So, thank you all. I appreciate you all tuning in, and see you on the next one.